In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove payment method from App Store. If you're looking to take a card off your iPhone or iPad, this walkthrough will guide you through the exact path Apple supports. We'll move carefully so you know what to expect at each step and avoid any confusion. First, unlock your device and open the Settings app. This is your hub for everything account related on iOS and iPad OS. At the very top, you'll see your name. This is your Apple ID banner. Tap it to open your Apple ID settings. This is where Apple keeps your account details, subscriptions, and importantly, your payment information. Next, tap Payment and Shipping. This section shows the payment methods currently linked to your Apple ID, as well as your billing address. If you're asked to sign in, go ahead and authenticate. Depending on your device, you might be prompted for your Apple ID password, Face ID, or Touch ID. This is just Apple confirming it's really you before allowing changes to payment details. Once you're in Payment and Shipping, tap Edit in the top right corner. You'll now see a red minus icon next to each payment method on file. Find the one you want to remove and tap the red minus button. A remove option will slide into view. Tap Remove. When Apple asks you to confirm, go ahead and confirm the removal. That's it. The selected payment method will be taken off your account. A few helpful notes so you're not caught off guard. If you don't see the red minus button, or if the remove option is grayed out, your account may require at least one active payment method. For example, if you're the organizer of a family sharing group, if you have an unpaid balance, or if you have active subscriptions like iCloud storage or app subscriptions, Apple may not let you remove the last payment method until those situations are addressed. Also, if you rely on recurring services through Apple, remember that removing a card can interrupt renewals if you don't have another valid payment source on file. This process is the official Apple-supported way to manage your payment methods, and it's safe and reversible. If you change your mind, you can always return to Payment and Shipping later to add a new method. Take a moment after removing the card to confirm your list looks correct and you're all set. Thanks for following along, and I hope this helped you confidently remove a payment method from the App Store on your iPhone or iPad.